everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Lucy. On my channel I do face and body art. I do body paintings, mainly on my chest. But in today's brand new video I'm going to be coming with you with a Bonfire inspired painting that I'm going to be doing on my chest. So it is officially the 5th of November and it's Bonfire Day. Well, night now because it is evening now for me. But I'm going to be doing this bonfire body painting. So now that I've showed you what it looks like on my chest, the way that the whole entire look came together, if you're interested in watching how I did it, then please keep on watching. Apply it directly in the center. But I'm gonna mainly be obviously doing it on my chest. I'm gonna sort of doing it as in like a rugby ball shape with the colours, because it's black at the top, then there's purple, then there's like a reddy pinky colour, and then there's like a really pale pink, and it's pretty much the same on the bottom, but on the bottom it's like black and blue, and then obviously it fades into the center. I just mixed the white and the red so I can create a dark pink colour. I didn't put much white in with it so I could create a dark shade of pink, and I'm just gonna apply it like for you. Right, so I'm gonna use my black Snazaroo face paint now. Right, so I know it looks a bit stupid, but I got a feeling it's gonna come together towards the end. So I'm gonna mix my white and my red again, but I'm gonna do a lighter shade, a very, very like pale shade of pink to go over here. I know I might look a bit weird here, but there's a gradient of purple gonna be here, and then down a bit it's gonna be a blue, and then at the bottom it's gonna be black. Right, so I know I look. Right, so I'm gonna go into my blue Snazaroo face paint now. I'm gonna go back to my black a minute. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use my nail art tools to do some stars all over the top here. and then I'm gonna concentrate on doing the line across and then do the buildings and then do the fireworks and pretty much just finish it off. That's all I gotta do. It shouldn't really take me too much longer now. Right, so I'm now gonna start doing the buildings. Right, so this is what it's looking like so far. I haven't got much, literally hardly anything to do now, which is a bonus, because I was starting to think, oh, I'm never going to finish it, but I love it. So far, I really do love it. So I'm hoping, so I know now what it's going to look like once it's fully complete, and I'm really excited. So I'm using my yellow Snazaroo now, and I'm just going to do the windows on the buildings and underneath on the water to sort of create the reflections of the windows and stuff. So I finished with the building reflections and the lights on the buildings. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to do the fireworks itself, and then I will be done. So if you made it this far into the video, I'd love you to be part of the family. I'd love you to subscribe down below and turn on the bell so you can be notified for every single video that I am due to be uploading, so you don't miss out on any of my videos. It would honestly mean a lot, and I'd love you to just come on the journey with me and enjoy exactly what I do, because I love my, art and body paintings and face art and anything related to that. I love it, and it would honestly mean a lot if you can just subscribe. So please subscribe now and don't miss out on any videos that I'm going to be posting for upcoming. Right, so I'm going to do a yellow one in a minute. When I've done the fireworks now, I'm going to go over the top of them with white face paint, so it'll give you that pop. So I'm going to be using my red now. So I'm going to into purple now. Right, so I'm going to go in with my orange now. So I've gone into my green now, and I'm going to do one by you as well. Right, so I'm doing blue now by you. Right, so now that I've done that, now I'm going to go in with my white. And I'm going to go on top of each colour. So this is the final look. I love the way it's turned out. I'm really proud of how it has actually come together, because at the beginning I thought to myself, oh, it's not going to turn right, it doesn't look right, it's all patchy, but it's actually come together really nicely. So I hope you guys all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are in the world, and I hope you have the most wonderful bonfire night. And if you did like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up, leave a comment down below of what you thought of the way it's turned out, and also let me know down below what you'd like to see in my next video. So I'm really excited with literally the way this turned out. I just want to say thank you for the love and support. Thank you for all the kind people who have cheered me on and said to me that I'm doing amazing and encouraging me to just be me and do what I love, which is this. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful night or day wherever you are in the world, and I shall see you in my next video. Thank you for the love and support. Have a wonderful bonfire night, everyone. Bye everyone. Bye.